Welcome to this powerful collection of I am affirmations, words that have the ability to transform your life. Whether you're looking to boost your confidence, attract abundance, or simply start each day with a positive mindset, these affirmations are designed to rewire your thinking and awaken your inner strength. Words hold incredible power. They shape our beliefs, our actions, and ultimately our reality. By listening to these affirmations daily, you're feeding your mind with positive, uplifting thoughts that will help you create the life you truly desire. When you speak or hear the words, I am, you're programming your subconscious to align with what you believe is possible. But here's the key: consistency. For these affirmations to work, you need to listen to them daily, several times a day if you can. Repeat them, feel them, and let them sink into your mind. Over time, you'll start noticing shifts in your mood, in your energy, and in the opportunities that come your way. So, I encourage you to listen to this video whenever you need a boost, in the morning to set the tone for your day, during breaks to stay centered, or before bed to plant these powerful seeds in your subconscious. Let these affirmations become part of your routine, and watch how they change your life. Let's begin this journey of transformation together. You are powerful. You are worthy. You are unstoppable. I am strong. I am capable of greatness. I am confident in who I am. I am worthy of love and respect. I am growing every day. I am filled with energy and purpose. I am brave and face challenges with courage. I am at peace with myself. I am proud of all that I've accomplished. I am grateful for every moment. I am aligned with the universe. I am a beacon of positivity. I am resilient and rise after every fall. I am deserving of all good things. I am abundant in love, health, and wealth. I'm always learning and evolving. I'm fearless in the pursuit of my dreams. I am patient with myself and my journey. I'm in control of my destiny. I am living my best life. I am surrounded by positive energy. I am radiating love and kindness. I am open to new opportunities. I am constantly improving. I am empowered to create change. I am grateful for my health. I am calm, focused, and centered. I am worthy of success. I am a force of creativity and innovation. I am making a difference in the world. I am loved and supported by the universe. I am exactly where I need to be. I am full of endless potential. I am blessed in all areas of my life. I am a magnet for positive outcomes. I am a powerful creator. I am able to overcome any challenge. I am always attracting the right people. I am inspired and inspire others. I am grateful for the simple things. I am focused on my goals and dreams. I am letting go of fear and doubt. I am attracting abundance into my life. I am worthy of my dreams. I am a light in the world. I am full of hope and optimism. I am confident in my abilities. I am creating my reality with every thought. I am thankful for every lesson. I am becoming the best version of myself. I am free to be me. I am balanced in mind, body, and spirit. I am guided by divine wisdom. I am worthy of happiness and fulfillment. I am joyful in all that I do. I am the architect of my life. I am worthy of all my desires. I am living a life full of passion. I am compassionate towards myself and others. I am enough just as I am. I am attracting miracles into my life. I'm grateful for the abundance I have. I'm worthy of achieving greatness. I'm filled with endless possibilities. I'm grounded and connected to the earth. I'm whole and complete. I'm blessed with talents and gifts. I am motivated to achieve my goals. I am loved beyond measure. I am in tune with my inner strength. I am becoming more resilient every day. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I am free to create my own path. I am worthy of success and prosperity. I am focused on my happiness. I am making a positive impact on the world. I am aligned with my higher purpose. I am grateful for every opportunity. I am releasing what no longer serves me. I am full of energy and vitality. I am making my dreams a reality. I am worthy of all the good that comes my way. I am supported by the universe in all I do. I am living a life of purpose and passion. I am a magnet for joy and positivity. I am attracting success with ease. I am surrounded by love and positivity. I am grateful for the present moment. I am free to pursue my dreams. I am confident in my decisions. I am capable of achieving anything I desire. I am always moving forward. I am worthy of deep, meaningful relationships. I am calm and peaceful in all situations. I am the master of my fate. I am in tune with the flow of life. I am ready to receive the abundance of the universe. I am worthy of respect and admiration. I am open to receiving all the good life has to offer. I am attracting positive and uplifting experiences. I am surrounded by endless possibilities. I am at peace with where I am and excited for where I'm going. I am a creator of happiness and joy. I am fearless in expressing my true self. I am worthy of love, peace, and abundance. I am attracting everything I need to thrive. I am resilient, resourceful, and ready for anything. I am a beacon of hope and inspiration for others. I am thriving in all areas of my life. I am aligned with my true purpose. I am open to the limitless potential within me. I am attracting harmony and balance into my life. I am a reflection of love and light. I am open to new ideas and opportunities. I am in perfect alignment with my highest self. I am courageous in the face of fear. I am worthy of all the success I seek. I am focused on the good in my life. I am proud of who I am becoming. I am deserving of a life filled with joy and abundance. I am empowered to create positive change. I am grateful for every new day. I am attracting the perfect circumstances into my life. I am guided by love and intuition. I am making my dreams come true every day. I am surrounded by opportunities for growth. I am confident in my unique abilities. I am in charge of my happiness. I am open to the infinite abundance of the universe. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. I am in control of my energy and my thoughts. I am worthy of all the blessings that flow my way. I am open to the flow of life and trust the process. I am grateful for the love and support that surrounds me. I am continually growing and evolving. I am a vessel of peace, hope, and joy. I am connected to the source of infinite wisdom. I am enough exactly as I am.